Good morning, everybody, and thank you so much for joining the Disability Law Center of Virginia with our very first Disability Rights and Resources Expo. When we first thought about doing this expo a year ago, we had a vision for an in-person hall with vendors and exhibitors and advocacy partners all over the place, with you all over the place, little breakout rooms for different sessions, and of course, we're not able to do that. That's just not the world we're in right now. So we've rolled with the punches, and we're proud to be able to provide you with some really great content, some great tools, some wonderful introductions, and we're doing it all virtually this time. Our theme for our Disability Rights and Resources Expo, our theme is Breaking Barriers, Creating Access. It's a way we're choosing to celebrate the 30 years since the passage of the Americans with Disabilities Act. It is hard to believe that it's been 30 years since the ADA was passed. In that time, we've really seen some amazing progress in a lot of ways, and it's still kind of mind-blowing how much work we still have to do. And this is where you're going to come in. You're going to help us to promote the cause of the Americans with Disabilities Act and all other tools that promote better access for people with disabilities. Today, we've partnered with a lot of amazing professionals, some self-advocates, other partners, all to help you be better advocates and to better understand the need for access for people with disabilities. It'll help everybody to become better integrated and live the very best life possible. Let me tell you a little bit about the Disability Law Center of Virginia. dLCV used to be known as the Virginia Office for Protection and Advocacy. About 7 years ago, we became a private nonprofit organization, no longer part of the state, fully independent, and we have been working since that time to be strong advocates for everybody in the Commonwealth of Virginia. We are considered to be what's called the Designated Protection and Advocacy Organization for the whole Commonwealth. And what that means is that we have federal law that created us. We have federal law that says how we're supposed to operate. And we have authority for all over the state. We advocate for people with disabilities to advance their rights, to strengthen their rights, and to make sure that they are free from exploitation and abuse and neglect. It's part of our mission to promote self-determination, choice, independence, and to make sure that everyone is free from abuse and exploitation. It's one of the reasons why we are so excited to host this event, because the mission of dLCV is huge. We represent nearly 1 million people with disabilities in Virginia, and we've got 36 staff. It's a really hard mission to carry out with only 36 staff. We try to meet this mission in a variety of ways. First of all, of course, we do some individual cases. We represent select people in areas where we think we can make the biggest difference with that individual representation. And then we try to learn lessons from those individual cases and turn those lessons into systemic advocacy. Finally, we do policy work that we learn from our individual advocacy, and maybe the most important thing that we do, at least for today, is we do training and we educate, and we try to make stronger, better advocates all over the Commonwealth so that we can extend our reach far beyond the 36 staff that work at the Disability Law Center of Virginia. And that's really the great news about today's event. We're hoping at the end of this event today that we have many, many more strong advocates who can break down barriers and create access. We'll get your feedback at the end of the day and figure out how we can make this an even better event year after year. Let me ask a favor of you right now. If you aren't following us on social media, could you do that right now? Could you start following us either on Facebook or Twitter? So that your friends know about this event today and so that they can become good advocates too. We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, And we are, of course, on the web with a website, dLCV.org. It's a very, very resource-intensive website. I hope you'll check it out. You'll find great resources for self-advocacy there, for special education, for social security issues, for employment, for ADA access, for just about any issue you can think of. We've got great tools for self-advocacy and for promoting the cause. And last but not least, let me thank our disability rights champion sponsor of today's event, and that's Virginia Relay. Virginia Relay has been really a great partner to us throughout this epidemic and even before that, providing captioning for so many of our videos and helping us in communicating with our clients who need the relay. I'd like you to take time to go into our exhibitor hall, our virtual expo hall, and meet up with our sponsor, Virginia Relay, and all the other exhibitors and advertisers who are helping us promote this today. Each one of them has got a wealth of information. They've got resources, services. I'm really happy for the participation that they have given with us today. So please enjoy the day today. Happy learning, happy networking, and happy self-advocating. Thanks so much.